Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Tarek. Today I am talking about Microsoft Excel, which is most popular spreadsheet software in the world. Today's tutorial I will show you how to calculate utility bill. Here I take unit consumption rate of electricity. For this the given info is unit consumed 75, the rate is 3.5, unit consumed 200, rate 5, 406, 608 and greater than 6, rate is 10 and their VAT is 15%. So I here take 4 meter long and 4 individuals user and their unit consumed. So now I can calculate bill of account payable. If logical test, if consume is less than or equal 75, then the bill is 65 into 35. Then again, if 65 is less than or equal 200, the bill is 65 into 5. Again, if 65 is less than or equal 400, the bill is 65 into 6. Then again, if unit consumes 65, sorry, if unit consume 65 is less than or equal 600, then the bill is 65 into 8. If all is false, then the bill is 65 into 10. Then close the bracket until black. So the first individual person's bill is 227.5. So here the totals bill of the individual person. So this is the simple way to calculate utility bill. So thank you for your patience. See you my next tutorial.